Hi, my name is Lisa. I am a mom of two kids. Let me show you my morning routine. I usually wake up earlier than my husband. I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. My kids wake up at 7 o'clock. So, I have 1 hour to get everything ready before they wake up. The first thing I do is go to the bathroom. I take a shower, style my hair, and then get dressed for work. Then, I make breakfast for them. My kids love eggs. They also love bacon, so I make eggs and bacon every morning. And of course, we cannot forget the most important thing, which is fruit. I cut some pieces of fruit for them, and I put the fruit in a container. Then I make coffee for myself. I need coffee to wake up. Otherwise, I feel tired all day long. Then I go to my kids' room and I wake them up. They are my world, so I am the happiest mom in the world. I get my kids dressed and we brush our teeth together. I help my kids with their teeth. They are still small and they need my help. After that, we have breakfast. We eat eggs, bacon, and fruit. My kids love this food. I think this is the best food for breakfast. After breakfast, I drive my kids to school. Usually we listen to music in the car. I like to listen to pop music, but my kids like to listen to children's songs. When we drop the kids off at school, my husband and I go to work. So this is my morning routine. It's very simple, but sometimes it's very hard. You know, being a mom is not easy, but I love being a mom. That was my morning routine. How about yours?